Have you ever wanted to see your Android phone's screen on your Windows PC without installing heavy software, creating an account, or paying for a subscription? Well, there's an amazing free tool called SCRCPY that lets you mirror and control your Android phone right from your computer. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up and connect your phone using either a USB data cable or wirelessly over Wi-Fi. So give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. The first thing we need to do is download SCRCPY. Simply open your favorite web browser and search for SCRCPY GitHub. Open the official GitHub page. Then go to the Releases section. Now scroll down and find the Assets section. Here you will see links for different operating systems. If you're using a 64-bit version of Windows, which most people are, download the Windows 64-bit zip file. And the file will start downloading. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder. Since the file is compressed, we need to extract it first. Right-click the zip file and select Extract All, or use software like 7-Zip or WinRAR if you prefer. Since it's a portable application, there's nothing to install. Once the extraction is finished, open the extracted folder. You'll notice several files inside. Don't worry, you won't need to use most of them. First, we will connect it using USB cable. Then we will make it wireless to run without any cable. Before we can connect the phone, we need to enable USB debugging. On your Android phone, open Settings. Here search for build number and open it. You can also scroll down and open About Phone. And then look for build number. On some phones, it might be inside software information. Tap the build number 7 times. After that, you'll see a message saying you are now a developer. Now, go back and you will see a new option as Developer Options. If you can't find, simply search for it in Settings and open it. Scroll down and turn on USB Debugging. Now connect your Android phone to your computer using a USB data cable. As soon as you connect it, open Top Menu and your phone may ask what USB mode you'd like to use. If it does, select File Transfer. When the confirmation message appears on your phone, tap Allow. Now go back to the SCRCPY folder on your computer. Open SCRCPY.exe file. And within a few seconds, your phone's screen will appear on your computer. That's it. You can now control your phone using your mouse and keyboard. Everything happens in real time with extremely low latency. You can resize the window just like any other Windows application. Use your mouse and keyboard to control and type anything. Press Alt plus F to switch to full screen mode. If you'd rather use your phone wirelessly, it also supports Wi-Fi connection. To connect over Wi-Fi, first make sure that your both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi network. After that, open Settings on your phone. Then go to Wi-Fi settings. Here, click on Settings icon in front of Wi-Fi you're connected. Here, you will see IP address of your Wi-Fi. Simply open any notepad or anything and note down this address, because we will need it later. Now, go to the folder we extracted. Here, click on the address bar at the top, type CMD and press Enter. This will open command prompt in that folder. Now here, type the command showing on the screen. Then press Enter. After that, type ADB space, connect space, then type your IP address of Wi-Fi. After that, add a punctuation mark, then add 4 times, and press Enter. When it says connected to your IP address, simply close command prompt and open exe file from SCRCPY folder. And in the same way, your mobile screen will appear on your PC, but this time it will be running without any data cable. But one thing to keep in mind, that the Wi-Fi connection works well when you have a strong connection. As my internet is very slow, and because of that, you will see a lot of delay. That's why I always recommend to run it using data cable. But after making connection over Wi-Fi, if you try to connect using your data cable, you will see this error. Now, let's fix it. Go to SCRCPY folder and open command prompt here. Now type SCRCPY and press Enter. After that, type this command, then copy the code showing in front of USB and paste it here, and press enter. And U connection will again convert to your data cable. A wired connection offers lower latency, a faster response time, and a more stable connection with fewer chances of lag or dropped frames. If performance is your priority, wired is still the best option. If this video helped you, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video.